Welcome back to Joyriding Gloves. Maintaining factory specifications on a 30-plus year Toyota Corolla is crucial for ensuring the vehicle's reliability, especially when considering significant components like the manual transmission, engine timing belt system, gaskets, seals, and bearings. Adherence to the prescribed maintenance intervals and fluid specifications can provide peace of mind for long-distance driving. Over the past 32 years, this 1993 Corolla has been a reliable companion, tackling over 160,000 kilometers without fail thanks to sticking to factory specs. From weekend road trips to daily commutes, this car has seen it all, proving that consistent care really pays off. Toyota vehicles are known for their durability, and maintaining factory specs helps preserve this reputation. Regular maintenance ensures that the vehicle operates efficiently and can handle long distances without unexpected breakdowns. Owning this car since new, you've made sure it gets regular fluid changes. For this scheduled maintenance, we're replacing transmission components like the clutch disc, pressure plate, and bearings. We'll also swap out the engine's timing belt system and spark plug gaskets alongside an engine and coolant change. The purpose is to address oil leaks in the spark plugs and boost the reliability of the manual transmission. These components were replaced over 10 years ago, also using OEM parts. You still remember trips you took to the mountains, cruising along winding roads with a Corolla handling like a champ. It's those drives that remind you why keeping up with maintenance is so important. The car performs just like it did when it was new. Regular fluid changes and inspections help prevent wear and tear on gears and bearings, ensuring smooth shifting and longevity of the transmission system. The clutch has been through its share of city traffic and highway drives, but proper maintenance has kept it performing reliably. Timing belts are critical for synchronizing engine components. They should be replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendations to prevent catastrophic engine failure. For older models, this typically ranges from 100,000 to 160,000 kilometers. Replacing the timing belt at the recommended intervals is crucial because a failure can lead to a significant engine damage, especially in interference engines where the pistons and valves occupy the same space. Regular maintenance not only helps avoid costly repairs, but also ensures the vehicles run smoothly and efficiently over its lifespan. Over time, gaskets and seals can degrade, leading to leaks. Regular inspections can help identify these issues early, preventing more serious engine damage. In this case, the previous oil seal has expanded and is at its end of useful life. Catching this now will save a headache down the road. Bearings in various components, such as the transmission and engine, require lubrication and inspection to avoid premature wear. Replacing them as part of scheduled maintenance keeps everything running quietly and smoothly. Following the prescribed maintenance schedule is essential. For a Toyota Corolla, typical service intervals include oil and filter change, brake inspection, tire rotation every 5,000 kilometers. When possible, pull down the oil pan for cleaning and reseal. This simple step can prevent sludge buildup and keep the engine internals in pristine condition. You'll notice the clean camshaft and head cover. It indicates that the engine oil has been replaced on schedule. Inspect the cooling system, fill coolant, and inspect brake pads every 20,000 kilometers. Keeping the cooling system in top shape will save you from overheating on long summer drives. Every 48,000 kilometers, replace air filter, and every 50,000 kilometers, inspect fuel systems. A clean air filter not only improves fuel efficiency but also makes the car feel more responsive. Regularly adhering to these intervals help ensure that all critical components remain in good working condition. Using the correct fluids is vital for optimal performance. Use engine oil that meets Toyota's specifications for viscosity and quality. Ensure that the oil meets API specifications and ILS AC standards. For Corollas made in 2008 or earlier, recommended oil is 5W30 full synthetic. Ensure that the correct type of transmission fluid is used to maintain proper lubrication and shifting performance. Manual transmission gear oil recommended 80W90. Change intervals can vary but are generally recommended around every 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers depending on driving conditions. Use a coolant that meets Toyota specifications to prevent overheating and corrosion. Sticking to the right coolant mix has kept the Corolla's temperature gauge steady even on the hottest days. Maintaining factory specifications on a vintage Toyota Corolla not only enhances reliability but also contributes to the vehicle's overall performance. Regular inspections and adherence to maintenance schedules will ensure that significant components like the manual transmission and timing belt system function optimally for many years. This diligence provides peace of mind for drivers who rely on their Toyota for the long run. You've had this Corolla for over 3 decades, and thanks to regular maintenance, it's still running strong. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily commute, you know you can count on it. So if you're driving an older car, that's awesome. What do you do to keep it in top shape? Comment below and share your best practice. Thanks for watching!